What is a hypotonic solution? A hypotonic solution is a solution with a lower concentration of solutes than another solution. In biology, hypotonic solutions carry across semipermeable membranes, plant cell walls, and animal cells to infuse the cells with fluids. A hypotonic solution is also a solution with lower osmotic pressure than another solution. Osmotic pressure is the hydrostatic pressure between solutions separated by a semipermeable membrane, like a cell wall. What are hypotonic solutions used for? Medical professionals administer hypotonic solutions intravenously to prevent dehydration by delivering large quantities of pure fluids with minimal solutes to the bloodstream. Rainwater acts as a hypotonic solution to keep grasses, woodlands, landscaping, and crops sufficiently hydrated. Rainwater has a lower concentration of solutes than the plant cell's cytosolic fluid, so rainwater is hypotonic when compared to the cytosolic fluid within plant cells. The concentration difference or concentration gradient between the rainwater and the plant's cytosol causes a flow of water molecules through the cell membrane by diffusion. Hypotonic solution examples. In medicine, there are a variety of hypotonic solutions. These hypotonic solutions are administered under careful supervision by medical professionals to restore normal fluid balance within the human body. Water is an example of a hypotonic solution found in nature. The tap water, bottled spring water, and filtered water you drink every day are all hypotonic solutions. What happens to a cell in hypotonic solution? Hypotonic solutions are always in comparison to solutions in proximity to them, and the most useful places to study comparative solutions are in cells, plant, animal, and human red blood cells. Both plant and animal cells absorb hypotonic solutions through the cell wall, causing the cell to swell. However, plant cells can regulate their intake, and animal cells cannot. A plant cell in hypotonic solution. In a hypotonic solution, plant cells absorb water from the solution through the cell wall. The cell will swell without bursting and become turgid or stiff. This allows the cell to regulate water consumption and survive dry spells. Both plants and fungi regulate water intake to hold as much water as possible in their cells. An animal cell in hypotonic solution. When exposed to a hypotonic solution, animal cells will absorb the hypotonic solution, often water, and then burst. Animal cells do not have rigid cell walls like plants, and the cell wall is unable to prevent permeation by the hypotonic solution. A human red blood cell in hypotonic solution. Human blood cells are animal cells, so they can absorb too much and burst. Because human blood cells can burst from absorbing too much, medical professionals administering an intravenous hypotonic solution must monitor the delivery carefully to prevent cell death from ruptured cell walls. Hypertonic versus hypotonic solution. Hypertonic and hypotonic solutions are comparatives, and the amount of solute in the solutions determines which is hypotonic and hypertonic. The solution with a lower solute concentration is hypotonic. The solution with a higher concentration of the solute is hypertonic. Two solutions with an equal amount of solute are isotonic. Hypertonic solutions in medicine and biology have higher concentrations of electrolytes than cytosolic fluids or blood plasma. Isotonic solutions have equal concentrations of electrolytes as cytosolic fluids or blood plasma.